This practice SAT problem says that for a training program, Juan rides his bike at an average rate of 5.7 minutes per mile. Which function M models the number of minutes it will take Juan to ride X miles at this rate? So the first thing that I recognized here is it gives me an average rate. An average rate is a slope for a linear equation. So we would be looking to find the linear equation that has a slope of 5.7, potentially 1 over 5.7, the reciprocal of this. And I'll talk about what I used this coordinate plane to reason through. It told me that x is being measured in miles. So I knew on my x-axis I would have units of miles, and that would mean on my y-axis, think about a slope calculation, it's y divided by x. Y is measured in minutes, x is measured in miles. They tell me that the average rate is 5.7 minutes per mile. That means that minutes must be my units on the y-axis, and that this right here is in fact the slope. 5.7 is in fact the slope, which is why we're going with option D. If these units were inverted and it said miles per minute, we would have the units on the axes change, and then the calculation for slope would be miles divided by minutes. That's not the case here, based on the fact that they're telling us x is measured in miles and how they're presenting the units of that slope calculation.